Welcome to our channel. Today, we will see how a laptop is made inside a factory. From small parts to a complete laptop, we will show you every step. Let's begin this amazing manufacturing journey. First, the laptop is designed. Engineers plan the size, shape, and performance of the laptop. They decide the processor, memory, battery, and screen type. After testing the design on computers, the factory starts production. Now, raw materials arrive at the factory. These include metal sheets, plastic parts, circuit boards, chips, and screens. Each part is carefully checked for quality before use. The motherboard is the brain of the laptop. Special machines place small electronic parts on the board. This process is very fast and very accurate. After that, the board is heated to fix all components firmly. Next, the processor and memory are installed. The processor controls all laptop functions. RAM helps the laptop run fast. These parts must be placed very carefully. Now, the laptop body is made. Metal or plastic is cut and shaped into the laptop frame. The body is polished, painted, and cleaned. This gives the laptop a strong and beautiful look. The screen is one of the most important parts. Glass panels and display layers are joined together. Each screen is tested for brightness and color quality. Now, the keyboard and touchpad are assembled. Each key is tested to make sure it works properly. The touchpad is checked for smooth movement. This is the final assembly stage. The motherboard, battery, screen, keyboard, and body are joined together. Now, the laptop looks complete. Next, the operating system is installed. Drivers and basic software are added. This makes the laptop ready to use. Every laptop goes through strict testing. The screen, keyboard, sound, camera, and battery are tested. Only perfect laptops are approved. Finally, the laptop is packed. The charger, manuals, and warranty card are added. The box is sealed and labeled. Now the laptops are ready to ship to stores around the world. This is how a laptop is made inside a factory. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.